Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The euro dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie fell 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analysts' choices for today.
European stocks tumbled as investors watched for developments in Ukraine as tensions with Russia grow. Newly inaugurated New York City Mayor Eric Adams has doubled down on his positive outlook towards Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies by saying that the city is open to new technologies. Toshiba Corporation said that it had suspended operations at a plant in southern Japan that makes semiconductors used in cars and industrial machinery after a strong earthquake hit the area at the weekend.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. consumer confidence will be released at 1500 GMT. The U.S. S&P Case-Shiller home price indices at 1400 GMT. Germany's IFO business climate at 0900 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment will be released at 0900 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0700 GMT. Australia's consumer price index at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.